Peace, fam. I come to you with gratitude, man. Gratitude. 1,000 subscribers. Fam, I want to take this time, first and foremost, I want to thank each and every one of y'all for tapping into my page. I've been on YouTube for... When did I start my channel? I want to say 08, 09. It's been a while, fam. And I told myself last year is when I put my foot down and I said, Jazz, we need to go in on YouTube. Like, I got so much knowledge, expertise. I have so much to give. I have all of this value in me, and I know it's somebody out there that needs to hear my message. And once I did that, fam, I have not looked back. I come to you today in full gratitude, fam. And we only getting started. Like, we only getting started, fam. So my message to you today is, if you know deep down you have a message to give to the world, I'm going to tell you right now, you are doing the Most High, you are doing the world a disservice. I'm going to tell you something. When I was on my 20-day fast, leading up to that fast, I needed some answers, man. There was a lot of things I was lost and cloudy on. But once I went on this fast, God made it so clear to me. Like, Jazz, you have done something powerful in your life. You have totally transformed your health. People look at me today, they look at the charisma, they look at, the exterior, they look at how confident I am when I walk through a room or when I talk. People see all this stuff, but they didn't see the grind leading up to this. Like, I put myself to work, fam. Going through those moments, it molded me to who you see today. And while I was on this fast, God showed me, Jazz, you looking at everything outside of you. See, I tried doing a little podcast, entertainment podcast. I tried Airbnb. I tried Peerspace. I tried all these different outside sources trying to get money. But God told me, Jazz, what have you done for yourself? He revealed the mirror and he led me back to myself, fam. You have something powerful. You have something that people want. Teach my people that. You feel me? So, what have you done in your life? It could be anything. If you know how to make money online, if you know how to trade stocks, if you know how to do hair, if you know how to play the piano, whatever it is, teach the people. It is time to start now. Because you are doing God's people a disservice. See, I'm trying all these other different business models. Not getting me nowhere, fam. But what I'm doing right now, I'm serving and I'm giving value every single day. Man, it's Father's Day right now. First of all, I want to listen to all the fathers who looking at this video, man. Salute to you. Salute to you. Happy Father's Day. You are much needed. Continue to be the rock for your family. All of the guys, all of the men who are following me, who are subscribing to me, much love. Like, I was talking to my pops earlier, and he was just basically saying, he was basically bigging me up, like giving me my flowers. He was like, one thing about you, Jazz, like, you gonna grind, you gonna hustle. And that's right. Like, one thing about me, I'm not gonna stop. But now I'm in a position now to where I can give to more people. This 1,000 people on this page right now, I appreciate y'all, fam. We're gonna grow this channel. We only getting started, fam. I'm telling y'all right now, it's up. It's up, fam. Back to your gift. If you have something that you've done, something that you've learned, it is imperative that you start teaching other people to do that, because that is where real wealth lies. It's already within you. And if you don't have a skill, guess what? It's easy to learn a skill. It's easy to learn a skill. Like, looking back on my life, as some of y'all know, but most of y'all don't know, I came up a ball player. I played basketball all my life, and I identified with being a hooper, right? Once I got done playing, I went through an identity crisis, fam. So I used to beat myself up, like, and once I stopped playing, I was 26, right at 27. So I felt like I got a late start on life, you know? And I used to beat myself up about this. However, it's all in divine timing. I needed to go through those moments. I needed to go through that couple of years where I was figuring it out. Once I got done playing overseas, I came here and I started training. I did what I know. I started teaching little kids how to play basketball. And that did great for me during that time. Kept on doing that. I did that for a couple years. I ended up having my own gym. God bless me, to be able to have my own gym for 2.5 years. And I did that. But really being logical and looking at the numbers and my business, that wasn't helping my business. I had to let it go. Didn't renew my lease at all. It would have been good to continue to have the gym. I'm not even gonna lie, but that was a tough decision that I made, fam. I had to do what was best for me. I wasn't getting anywhere. I was still struggling, paying rent, paying my gym rent. Had to pivot. Now, going through this, I still had clients, right? So now my business model shift from, having my own brick and mortar to now I'm renting out facilities. Did that for a couple of months. Things went left, right? So now here is when the rubber meets the road now. So now I don't have any more clients. So I'm basically having little to no income coming in. And I'm like, Jazz, what can I do to survive out here? Like, I got little jobs, little trainer jobs here and there for other companies, but those were quick fly-by jobs. I'm like, what can I do to keep me some cash flow coming in? And I prayed about it. I fasted about it. God led me into doing massage therapy. So I put myself through massage therapy school, got my license. And that's a whole nother topic right there, going through that whole process. But doing massage therapy, I'm thinking that's my calling. Teaching people how to do massage therapy. And to be quite frank with y'all, fam, I still do massage therapy. That's my day job. That's how I make money for myself, is massage therapy. I work for a well-known spa out here. And I do that for my day job. But this right here, this is my purpose. It came to a point to where, I'm doing my massage therapy, but deep down in my heart, I'm like, I got more in me. Cause I'm still in that one-to-one business model. Like, I leave training to go to massage therapy, and it's the same. You know, I was still making like right at about the same amount of money monthly. But deep family, I'm 6 figures a month. That's how I'm coming. 6 figures, 7 figures a month. I got that in me. I know I got that in me. So I went on another fast. This is when I went on my 20-day fast. I needed to hear God. I'm like, God, I have something in me. What is it that you need me to do to serve you and please the people? To please you and serve your people. What is it that I need to do to serve you and serve your people? God led me right back to myself. Jazz, you have totally transformed your life. Look at where you've come from. Go teach my people that. I said, say no more, God. That's what I'm doing. So deep down, I know that this message, my message of totally transforming your health, living a holistic life, internally, mentally, physically, spiritually, emotionally, that is what I'm here for. I am here to remind you that you already have the power within you. I am just your guide. I am not here to do the work for you. However, I am here to inspire you to keep on going. Ask God, what is it that you put me on this realm to do? How can I please you? How can I serve your people? Talk to me, God. You got to let God know that you are serious. This message is for that person. You feel like you got more in you. You going through your daily routine. You're feeling empty. You're feeling like you have some unfinished business. It's time to get to work. It's time to do some soul searching. It's time to do some praying. It's time to do some fasting. You need to get with God and you need to ask God, what is it that you put me here to do so that I can serve you and I can serve your people? What is it that I need to do, God? And you got to put yourself through it. And you got to listen. You got to quiet the distractions. See, that's how the devil get into us now. The devil distracts us from what we really need to be doing. Don't get distracted, fam. Listen to the Most High. You got it. All right. So once again, I appreciate y'all. 1,000 subscribers, baby. 1K. Let's go, fam. And we only getting started. We only getting started, fam. So, hey, listen. If you are seeking a community of like-minded individuals, tap into the Soulful Healers. Listen, I am going to be doing group calls. It's free right now. So y'all better tap in right now. It's free. But once we start growing, hey, you got to pay a little something, baby. But anyway, listen, tap into that. Tap into my new ebook, family. And listen, I'm going to leave y'all with this. My family, T Prophets, listen, she told me something that I will forever remember. This was so cold. She said, remember that pain leads to purpose. And your purpose leads to profit. And then your profit will lead to prosperity, family. I'm going to leave that right there. Listen, I want to say I appreciate you. Let's continue to grow. Let's continue to transform our life. Stay down with me, fam. We getting there. We getting there, baby. Hey, All right, man. That's love. I'm out, y'all. Peace. Catch me on the next one.